Now I request Director Sir to speak few words.
A very good afternoon to all. My dear children, good afternoon. Say good afternoon. Honorable dignitaries on the dais, President of today's program and also co-founder of Butterfly International Preschool, my father, Honorable Mr. R.D. Bawal sir, today's chief guest, Mr. Parameshwar Fuge Patil. He is the President of Civil Contractors Association Sambhaji Nagar, Principal of the Butterfly International Preschool, Mrs. Sunita Naravade Madam, my brother-in-law, Mr. Manoj Naravade sir, parents, teachers, and all my dear children. We have gathered here to celebrate second annual function program. So first of all, I congratulate on behalf of management, director, and all the teaching staff to all the children, those who have taken part to show their talent for today's program. I also congratulate the teachers, those who have trained. I congratulate the principal of the school, Naravade Madam, and thankful for arranging such a wonderful program for us. I will speak just in short 2 points. First point is about quality education. Before 3-4 years, when we have established the school, our main focus was for the quality education. How can we give the quality? We can have the two aspects of the quality. First one, when we speak about the quality, quantity also come along with it. But quantity and quality, they are interrelated to each other. If we increase the quantity, the quality minimizes. But if we need a quality, there must be minimization of the quantity. So if you will see, in every class we have limited number of the students so that each teacher can focus on each and every student. This was the vision of Butterfly International Preschool. Now, if you have seen the pamphlet or a brochure of the school, our motto of the school is never stop learning. This concept is taken from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 12, verses 9. Lord Sri Krishna says, Atha chittam samadhatum na shaknosi maistiram abhyasa yogena tato mamishaptum dhananjayah. I repeat, Atha chittam samadhatum na shaknosi maistiram abhyasa yogena tato mamishaptum dhananjayah. Lord Sri Krishna says, Hey Partha, hey Dhananjaya, if you want to achieve me, if you want to earn me, you must keep learning, you must keep practicing. And that we are doing in our school. Second thing, extended version of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita is Jnaneshwari. Saint Jnaneshwar Maharaj in his Jnaneshwari says, म्हणून या अभ्यासासी काही सर्वथा दुष्कर नाही, म्हणून या अभ्यासासी काही सर्वथा दुष्कर नाही, या लागी सर्व काही अभ्यासे मिळे. So the same thing, if we want to achieve something, we must keep learning, we must keep practicing, and that all we are doing in our school. I will not take much time, just I will conclude with one motivational poem for my dear children, which is written by Harivansh Rai Ji Bachchan. He says, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न करता है, आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है, मिलते नहीं मोती सहज ही गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगुना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में. मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. एंड फाइनली ही सेज, असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो, क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. असफलता एक चुनौती है, देखो क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम, क्योंकि कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Once again, thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech.